everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you on how to get Delta Executor for free in 2026. So let's get started. So I'm just going to open my game real quick, and as you guys can see right here, it's opening right now. And so let's just play Blox Fruits. So I'm just going to click right here and open this game, and as you guys can see, it is loading right now. So let's just give it a second for this to process and everything, and wait for it to open it. So alright, finally it's open, and I'm just gonna be a pirate right now, and you guys can check this out that I have already installed the Delta Executor, and it's really easy and fun to play with. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you my scripts and everything. So just you guys can see right here, every scripts is right here. And also check this out guys, so let me show you my settings also. And every features and setting toggles are really cool, and this is about Roblox console and Delta console, and the Delta console is really movable, so you guys can keep it anywhere you guys want. So let me show you the exact steps on how to get it. So let me just go back, and all you have to do is open your browser and just go to the website called bloxz.com. So you guys can see I'm already in this website, so just look for get Delta. So I'm just going to click right here, and now all you have to do is put your username. So I'm just going to put mine real quick, so just give me a second. And after you do it, just click continue, and it will look for your account. So afterwards, just click yes connect. As you guys can see, the user is already found. So now all you have to do is scroll down and turn this button on, and afterwards just select the scripts that you guys need. But for now I'm just gonna skip this part because I have already installed it, and click continue. So you guys can see right here, it is API connecting right now. So basically it means it's connecting with your account and processing everything and loading into your account. So just wait for it to load. So let's just give it a second. So alright, so finally the API is connected. So I'm just going to click right here because you need to verify yourself. So alright, as you guys can see, it is verifying right now, and finally we are verified, and you guys can see verification is successful, and I have already installed on this device. So I'm just going to go back and open my game. Alright, so the game has sent us back, so I'm just going to open it again. So alright, and also don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be bringing out more of these videos every weekend. And also don't forget to share it with your friends so they guys can enjoy it too. So let's get back to it. And as I was saying, I have already installed this executor, and it's really easy and fun to play with. So let me show you my scripts again real quick. So after you get it, so don't forget to use these scripts, and you guys just check this out. So every scripts and everything, and also the settings, toggles and features are also really cool. And this is about Roblox console and Delta console. So the Delta console is really movable, so you guys can keep it anywhere you want. So alright, so peace out everyone, don't forget to like this video.